Hello and welcome to a NoiseMaker video on using the NoiseMaker plugin to create some kind of great pattern that we're looking for this part of the sci-fi walkway that's being created. So let's dive in and see what we can do with this. I'm going to click over my surface subpalette and click on the noise button. That's going to launch my NoiseMaker preview window, which has the same navigation as you do in ZBrush. So they're both going to have the same thing, so I'm just going to focus in on one of these rectangles that we have here. I'm going to up my strength just so you guys can see that there's already some noise being applied based on our curve. I want to use the plugin, so I'm going to click on Noise Plug, and you can see that the plugin automatically launches for us. So if you notice that when I switch to any of our noise plugins, I get instant feedback right here on our mesh in the preview window. So I'm going to switch to the hex tile, and I'm going to swap out the Morta color and push that all the way to the right and put my tile color all the way to the left. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK now. So I got that nice little pattern we have here. But what I want to be able to do is where these parts are in the pattern, I want them to become invisible. So what I'm going to do is just shift my offset over a bit. You can see that the curve is moving. So I'm just going to push this down too, just so it's back at the bottom. And you can see I got a nice pattern happening now that you can see through. So when I hit OK, we've got a really cool pattern happening on here, and it looks like it's great. If you notice that if I turn the noise off, it's not actually being applied. However, when I go and render this, the shadows being casted will take on the pattern that you see here. And that's a really quick way to use the NoiseMaker plugin to get a pattern for our walkway. Thank you for watching this video, and please continue to watch more on pixelogic.com.